Hello, my name's Anthony. Welcome to my YouTube channel, AnthonyAllenEdits, the YouTube channel that is all about your video editing, hints, tips and tricks, as well as teaching you guys how to edit using software such as Final Cut Pro 10, aka Final Cut Pro X. Here in this video, I'm about to teach you how to record a voiceover easily in Audacity. Okay, so you've decided you need a voiceover for your videos or your project, and you want the easy, quick solution on how to record a voiceover with a free software with ease within a couple of minutes. If that, you're in the right place. So don't worry, we're about to show you how to do this. I'm going to show my screen so you can see step by step what's going on, how to do it. So without further ado, let's have a look at how you can record your voiceovers and how to do it with Audacity. Okay, so here we are on Audacity. From up above you can see which microphone we are using, and you can actually select devices that you've already got set up. If you'd like to use an external microphone, this will be available from the drop down menu just here. Recording a voiceover is as easy as pressing the record button, and that's what we're going to do now, and this should be using the recording device, which is the built-in microphone, which is right here. So now we're going to record a voiceover. Hello, this is a recording. You can see the sound waves moving at the top of the screen. This is a recording. I've then pressed spacebar to stop the recording. So as you can see, it's very easy to record a voiceover within Audacity, but we're going to show you how to export this as a track. In order to get rid of a part of a track, all you do is you simply drag and highlight. Then after you've dragged and highlighted, you simply press the delete button. Going up to File and Export, we'll export your track. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to export as a waveform audio. You then title your file accordingly and hit save. You can add the information that you like in, for example, the track title, artist name, track number, year, genre and comments. So as you can see, our audio has now been exported to the desktop very easily without any hassle. Hello, this is a recording. You can see the sound waves moving at the top of the screen. This is a very easy way to record a voiceover within Audacity. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's how you can record your voiceovers with Audacity, quick and easily. This works on your operating system, no matter if you're on a Windows, Mac or Linux machine. Using whatever operating system, Audacity is available for you. Shouldn't be an issue for you to download it, and it's quite quick and easy to record your voiceovers. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned here on this channel, Anthony Allen Edits. So before we leave, let's have a look at some of the bloopers and mistakes that I've made while recording this video. And so forth. Quick and easy, no hassle. No, cut that. It's gonna take less time than me waffling on here right now. So let's have a look at it. This is the video for you. It's gonna be stop.